Good afternoon, dear students, my dear students. Today our topic is in the second part of your history in world history. I would like to inform you that now today we will be started chapter number 4 in world history because council also reduced the syllabus, but in the reducing syllabus the United Nations organization is very important topic. I hope that you all are familiar of this chapter, United Nations organization. What was the role of United Nations organization? What is the composition of the United Nations organization, and why the United Nations organization established? Before that we discuss the topic, first of all I would like to inform you. You know very well the world realized and the world seen the two world war in 20th century. First World War 1900 started in 1914 and finally continued going on in 1918. And after that the Second World War started in 1939 and continued. The war is going on from 1939 to 1943. In the two world war in the 20th century, the world saw the death and destruction, because in the First World War and in the Second World War, both these wars brought in their wake deaths and destruction, famine, hunger, disease, poverty and grief of millions of people. Means फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर ने भी और सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर ने भी पूरी दुनिया में तबाही ला दिया. हजारों लाखों लोग मारे गए, गरीबी बढ़ी, भूखमरी से लोगों की मौत हुई, रोजी रोजगार, बहुत सारी चीज़ें छीनी जा चुकी. मीन्स फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर both are dangerous and destruction in the world. After that, after the First World War, an international organization, those are known as the League of Nations, was established. And the main aim of the League of Nations to maintain the peace, to prevent the war, to develop the friendly relations among the nations. But in 1939, before the 1939, the League of Nations failed to complete their aims and objectives, and finally the Second World War is started. Means after the failure, you can say that after the League of Nations failed to achieve their aims, because in 1919 League of Nations established, but 1939, last September 1939, the League of Nations failed to stop the war and failed to stop the rise of dictatorship in Germany and Italy. So the Second World War is started. So this is also very important causes before the establishment of United Nations organization. Death and destruction is the first reason, first causes for the establishment of United Nations organization. And second reason, the failure of League of Nations is also important causes before the United Nations organization. Now we will be discuss about that League of Nations did not achieve their aim and objective, so United Nations organization established. No, it is not a plan of one day. League of Nations फेल होना और यूएनओ को एस्टैब्लिश करना ये बहुत आसान नहीं है कहना, क्योंकि लीग ऑफ नेशंस ने जिस चीज़ के लिए, जिस ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को पूरा करने के लिए बनाया गया, वो जब फेल्ड हुआ तो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर हुआ. और सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद वर्ल्ड ने रियलाइज़ किया कि अब एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक ऐसी इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बनाया जाए जिससे दुनिया में शांति बना रहे. इसी का देन था कि 24 अक्टूबर 1945 को हमारे बीच में एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आया जिसका नाम रखा गया यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एक्चुअली द so many important leaders of the world play very important role for the formation of the United Nations organization, like that Franklin D. Roosevelt, President of USA, Prime Minister Winston Churchill of Britain, they both are play very important role for the formation of the United Nations organization. Millions of peoples involved into the United Nations organization, and it was finally decided on the conference when the San Francisco meeting were held in 1945. That time 50 members are nominated and 50 members signed the charter of the United Nations organization, including India, the original member of the United Nations organization, 51. So the first time when the 24 October 1945 the United Nations organization was established, that time total number of original member 51 including India. मीन्स 1924 अक्टूबर 1945 को जब यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाया गया तो उस यूएनओ चार्टर पर, उसके प्रिंसिपल पर प्रेजेंट टाइम में 51 नेशंस ने हस्ताक्षर किए थे. मीन्स many times the question is asked how many original member of the United Nations, then your answer is 51. After that the United Nations organization continue to do their work and day by day it achieve their aims and objective. Now in the present time total number of member in United Nations organization 193. Okay, this is also very important question. Many times the question is asked how many total member in the present time United Nations organization, then your answer is 193. Now in the present day 193 members is the member of United Nations organization. This is the very important. Many times the question is asked what is the main aim of the United Nations organization. Actually the main aim of the United Nations organization to develop the friendly relations among the nation, to stop the another war, to maintain the peace and security in the world. Means this is the very important and the first aim of the United Nations organization. First of all, to maintain the peace and security in the world, to develop the friendly relations among the nations, to cooperate to each other, each nations cooperate to each nations with debate, discussion, through their share their problem and to share the political, economical and social things those who are saying about that. Okay, so now objective, you discuss about that objective of the United Nations. So first of all to save the succeeding generation from the scourge of war, means दुनिया के आने वाली जनरेशन को युद्ध से बचाना इसका एम है. Second, to develop the faith in fundamental human rights, to develop the faith into the fundamental human rights, to develop conditions under which justice and respect for international law and the territories can be maintained, to promote social progress and better standard of life, more freedom among the citizens. Disarm, decolonize and develop are the other objectives of the UN. Means these all are the very important aim of the United Nations organization, but mainly if the question is asked what is the main aim, then your answer is to maintain the international peace and security in the world, to develop the friendly relations in the world, to cooperate all member nations and solve the international problem of economic, of social and political and cultural. Okay, so these all are the total aim and objective of the member. So today we all are know about that date of establishment. What was the date? 24 October 1945. On that day United Nations organization to start their work. How many total number in the present time? 193 members in present in the United Nations organization. Second thing, one very important question is also asked how many official languages in the United Nations organization. Total number of language in the United Nations organization are given 6. Please all of you see the book and also see the emblem of United Nations organization, because many times question asked in the board examination, identify the emblem, what is the name of this emblem. Okay, so first of all you all of see the, please one time again all of you see, look like this one. This is the emblem of United Nations organization. Okay, so please identify the emblem. Okay, now 6 official language, working language only 2. Which one? English and French. 2 working language, English and French, and total number of language those are used in United Nations organization 6. Which one? Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Spanish and Russian. One time again we repeat, this is also given in your book. Spanish, French, English, Russian and Arabic. These 6 languages are official language in the United Nations organization, but the working language two, first French, English and French. Okay, total number of member 193. How many original member? 51. When was United Nations organization was established? 24 October 1945. Each and every day we all are celebrated 24 October as a UN day. October is going on to the 3rd October. So on 24 October we all are celebrated as the UN day, United Nations Organization Day, each and every year. Okay, what is the main objectives of the United Nations Organization? To maintain the peace and security in the world. This is a very important and this is a very initial aim and objective of the United Nations Organization. To develop the friendly relations, to cooperate and share each and everything, each and every problem solved, like that economical, social, cultural, all type of problem solve and cooperate to each other. This all are the aim of the United Nations Organization. Why United Nations Organization established? There are so many causes, because first of all, to maintain the peace and security, to develop the friendly relation. What was the causes behind the formation of the United Nations Organization? So first of all, death and destruction after the First World War, after the Second World War. Second, failure of League of Nations. League of Nations also failed, so the world realized and established the United Nations Organization. My dear students, tomorrow we all will discuss about that how many organs of the United Nations Organization. Generally in your book, total number of branches in the United Nations Organization, 6 branches, 6 hand, you can say that 6 hand: General Assembly, Security Council, International Court of Justice, the Secretariat, the other organs. But generally we all are discuss about that 3 organs. Which one? First, General Assembly, second, Security Council, and third one, International Court of Justice. General Assembly is known as the World Parliament in the United Nations Organization. General Assembly look like as the World Parliament because all the member nations of the United Nations, they all are the member of the General Assembly. In General Assembly, 1 president and 21 president appointed by the elected by the voting, through the voting by the member of the General Assembly. And many other things are also given into the General Assembly, many functions done by the General Assembly. So tomorrow we all will discuss about that General Assembly and what is the function of the General Assembly. Today we all will discuss that what is the full form of the United Nations Organization, when was it established, how many official languages, how many working languages, how many total number of members of the member of United Nations, why United Nations was established, and what is the aim and objective of the United Nations Organization. So please one time again all of you see the book and also identify the emblem. Thank you. Tomorrow again we all will discuss about that General Assembly, Security Council and International Court of Justice.